Dear customers, today we are going to share our new design bubble waffle maker, the model FYGL01. Here we show our package with the standard package with 5 layers to protect. Okay, let's show the machines of package. Now you will see the peer carton foam inside with waffle protection and customize a new location to put the pans in it, and we will use the convenience use of electric plug. After taking it out from the box, you will see the customized foam inside that match the machine. Okay, let's briefly introduce the machines. The plug, thermostat, the timer, the double pan electric plug. And when you would like to replace the pan, the extra pan, you can use the key to open the screw, then replace it. Rotate 180 to help the liquid uniform when you make bubble waffle. Next, we introduce our machine's features. The Teflon coating, we use 3 layers. Here is our wells protect, and we use the double pan. Why we use the double pan in the machine? Because some customers will feedback the waffle will stick on the plate, so we use double pan to replace. It will not avoid the customer's business. The other point is the heat element. Normally, the bubble waffle maker use a heating press for heating, but ours use a heating tube for heating. Why we use the heating tube for heating? Because some customers feedback the machine will disappear uneven and unstable when make waffle, especially the 110 voltage machine. Now we use the heating tube for heating, and we use the heating tube inside the place to solve this problem. Okay. Some customers feedback to us when they use the normally bubble waffle maker to make bubble waffle. They feedback the machine's temperature will display so high. It will make the electric outage. So you can look at our back of the machine, the limited thermostat. It can stop the machine's work when the temperature reaches to the 290. Different countries have different requirements for the plug, so we use the single electric plug for convenient to replace and easy to connect. For more details, please contact us for following details. Thanks for watching.